Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Ashley with FlexiFuse, and for today's video I am going to show you how to put together our Noel laser cut kit. I like to start all of my laser cut projects the same. I lay out all of the pieces and figure out which pieces are tabbed, and I start snipping them out of all of the little tabbing. Alright, I have my layout guide and a piece of parchment paper over top of it. I'm going to start ironing down all of my pieces using the part number guide to make sure I put them all in order. The reason I'm using the parchment paper is so that I can see the layout guide through it and not have to worry about trying to find it or mark it through a dark background. You can fuse your pieces directly to the parchment paper. Just make sure before you peel them up that they are completely cooled. This is the parchment paper that I've been using for this project. I need to put another sheet down here at the bottom so that I can finish the bottom of the truck and make sure everything is fused together correctly. Now that I have everything fused together into one piece, I'm going to use a trick I learned on So Very Easy's YouTube channel. What you're going to do is fold your background in half and line it up on the dotted lines. And obviously you're going to be fusing onto the right side of the fabric, but this way I can use the lines and markings on the layout guide to fuse it down, and once I have one side fused, you open it up and fuse the other side and your piece will be centered. you can see, I've gotten most of the stitching done on this sample. And for the embellishments, I have used some cute little black buttons that I just had sitting around the office, and then I actually hand stitched with some DMC embroidery thread the little arms. And then I'm going to do probably some French knots for the eyes or some smaller buttons if I can find them. But didn't that turn out so cute?